Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. So here I get a scrambled 3 by 3. So I'm gonna solve it by using a layer by layer method. So the first thing to do is making a cross, like placing the edge with the same color like this one, the green with the green and the white with the white. So I'm gonna put like orange, like here it's already inserted here, like the green, the orange with the orange. The white it doesn't, so I'm gonna move it here. See, now it's matched. So the next is I'm gonna search blue, or maybe red first, because it's already like the same color here, and now I'm gonna turn it here and I'm gonna find the blue. So the blue is here, but how it doesn't match. So you gotta turn it here. Now it's matching, but the white doesn't, so you turn it like this. Now the second thing is you put the corner, like for example like this one. See, this is orange, blue and white, and where you should put it, at here. The blue should be here, the orange should be there, and the white at the bottom. How do you do it? Like this. R, U, R prime. See? Now it's matching. Now the next one. Now it's this. But how? But the white is at here and blue here, and this is wrong. How do you do it? Like this. L prime, U prime, L, U, U2, and look at the side and do it again, but using R, R, U prime, R prime. How is match? Now search the green one first. This one. So how do you do it? It's simple, like I already told you, but using the L prime, U, L. Now it's the last corner. This one, the white, red, and green. But how? But the white is at the top, not like in here or maybe here. How do you do it? Like this. You do it U, R, U, and R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime. Now, the second thing is put the same edge at this, like for example like this. The red and the blue is here, but they must put it here. How do you insert in here? So first like this. Do it like this, okay guys, don't do like this, because this will get a wrong insert, like for example like this. See, this doesn't match. So the correct way is doing like this. Okay, move away the red, not going here but going here. How do you do it? R, U, R prime, U prime, so this side, L prime, U prime, L. Now they have the same color, like the blue, red with the red. Okay, the second thing is the green. Like the same thing I told you before. Move away because the orange will be in here and the green should be here. And then R, U, R prime, U prime. Go this side. L prime, U prime, L. Edge like this one. We got orange and blue, and I should put it here. I already told you guys again. Move away. Don't make it the same mistake like I do before. Like this. This is the wrong way. You do it this is the correct way. How do you do it? But this is different. Before I do it with R, but this time I use it L prime. So how do you do it? L prime, U prime, L, U prime, U, go this side, R, U, R prime. The last edge is this, the green and the red. So you gotta move away the pieces and turn it with the L prime again, like before with the orange and the blue. L prime, U prime, L, U, go this side, R, U, R prime. Now we got the second page. This the orange yellow layer, or I'm gonna make it simple. It's like OLL. It's for fun fact. There's 57 orange yellow layer. So you just learn few. I'm gonna get to the topic again. How do you do it? Using little r. This is the difference between r and the little r. Little r, U, R prime, U prime, little r accent, F, R, F accent. And you get to the third page. Like the last page is the personalized layer. The last step, not the page. So how do you do it? Maybe I'm gonna use the T form. How do you do a T form? I'll teach you. R U R prime U prime R prime F R2 U prime R prime U prime R U R prime F prime. You do it. Just see the edge. So the blue should be goes here, and the green should be here, and the orange should be here. How do you do it? Like this. M2, but for a little fact, for a little information, the M2 is M2 action. The M is goes down like this, but the M prime goes up. M2 prime U M U2 M prime U M2 prime. So you have it. I got you already solved the Rubik's Cube. So here I'm gonna show you how I got average of 5 under 1 minute. That I can make average under 1 minute. So I'm gonna do a time lapse here, like doing the scramble and the solve.
Опять сидишь тут по ночам, но почему ты, малыш, так смело веришь мелочам? Я знаю твой телефон, но никогда не позвоню, пока еще в унисон